question number 3. Particle physicists like Ayana Holloway Arce and Aida El-Khadra spend much of their time blank what is invisible to the naked eye. Using sophisticated technology, they closely examine the behavior of subatomic particles, the smallest detectable parts of matter. Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? Is it A, selecting? Is it B, inspecting? Is it C, creating? Or is it D, deciding? So they are spending much of their time blank what is invisible to the naked eye, and they are using sophisticated technology. So selecting, inspecting, creating, which would be best? I think it's quite easy only. Choice B, inspecting, is the best answer because it most logically completes the text discussion of the work of particle physicists. In this context, inspecting means viewing closely in order to examine. The text indicates that as particle physicists, Arce and El-Khadra's work involves using advanced technology to closely examine subatomic particles. In other words, they use technology to inspect small particles of matter that can't be seen by the naked eye. And A is incorrect. A says selecting because nothing in the text suggests that Arce and Al-Khadra spent time selecting or choosing subatomic particles for some purpose. The text simply states that the particle physicists use advanced technology to see and study the behavior of those tiny particles of tiny parts of matter. Then creating. So this is incorrect because nothing in the text suggests that Arce and El-Khadra spent time creating subatomic particles or bringing them into existence. So they are not creating it. The particle physicists used advanced technology to see and study the behavior of those tiny particles of matter. And D, deciding, this is incorrect because in this context, deciding would mean making a final choice or judgment about something. It wouldn't make sense to say that particle physicists get to choose what is and isn't visible to the naked eye, especially when the text presents it as a fact that subatomic particles are the smallest detectable parts of matter and would therefore be invisible. So the text basically it focuses on Arce and Al-Khadra's close observation of those particles, not any decisions they might make. So I hope that's it.